先生们、哥们、韭菜们，在过去的一年，很多哥们 stupidly, foolishly 去买虚拟货币了。They thought 他们以为他们在 buying the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. They exclaimed. 结果是他们亏大了。你可能也是哥们，但如果你能看懂最基础的 technical analysis, you would have saved a lot of money. So in this video, 给你个要教你最基础的 the most basic and most important technical analysis, so you can 不亏钱而赚钱。那么这个视频会非常干货，非常有用，而且是免费给你的，哥们。既然我的 B 站已经被封了，我现在需要你帮一个忙，帮我点一个赞，订一个月，多谢哥们。第一 ，Candlestick charts。那么哥们，这是一个 candle. This is a candle. And this is a match, but not this. This is a candlestick. 它们长得差不多，是吧？所以这个才叫 candlestick， 因为它长得很像一个 candle。那么大部分的 traders 都在用 candlesticks, OK? 基本上所有的 traders 都在用。所以我们先了解一下一个 candlestick 吧。Each candle represents a time frame. You can look at the hourly candle, you can look at the daily, the weekly, the 15-minute, the 1 second, etc. 那么一个 red candle 代表价格下跌在这个时间之内。So if the candle is an hourly candle and it's red, it shows that in the last hour the price has gone down. And likewise, if it's green, it shows the price has gone up in the last hour. Here's one I made earlier, 哥们。那么这是 the open, this is the close, this is the low, this is the high. 你能看清楚吗？看得不太清楚是吧？ OK, 算了。Back to this. Better. Remember, these are wicks. The price has wicked to this low point and wicked to this high point in the last hour. But the price did not stay there. The price just went there temporarily and then came back down to the close. 那么咱们举一个例子吧，咱们用 the 1 year time frame, 就是 12-month time frame, 看比特币. So each one of these candles represents 1 year of Bitcoin price action. 那么我们看看2021年的时候，这个是一个 green candle. So the open is at the bottom. So the price Bitcoin opened at in 2021 was 29,000. And the price we closed at in 2021 was 46,000. But as we can see, we wicked all the way to 69,000. But we didn't finish there. The price finished the year, closed the year at the close, which is the top of the candle, which is 46,000. 那么今年是一个 red candle, okay? So the price has gone down. Now, the only difference between a green candle and a red candle is the open and close. On a green candle, the open is at the bottom and the close is at the top. And on a red candle, the open is at the top and the close is at the bottom. So, 2022年的时候, we opened at 46,000 and we closed, it will be today's price because the year is not over, at $17,000. 第二个, the trend is your friend till the end. 哥们, in trading, traders look for trends and then they bet on trend continuation because that's the simplest and most easy way to make money. So, 你要学习如何判断 the trend, the 趋势。那么看看比特币最近的一年，这是什么趋势呢? Is it in an uptrend? Is it in a downtrend? Or is it in a sideways trend? 上升趋势、下降趋势 or sideways？ 没错，哥们，它明明是在一个 downtrend 下降趋势。不错，你还是有点智商，哥们，你很聪明。但是我们怎么能明确的判断这是在一个下降趋势呢？ Well, 哥们，听听。A downtrend is when we make new lower lows followed by new lower highs. 所以呢，咱们看看这里。This is the 高峰，然后呢，这是一个新的更低的高峰。This is the 低点的底部 and this is the 新的底部。Lower lows, lower lows, and lower highs. Lower highs followed by lower lows. That is how we know it's in a downtrend. And we continue here. 这个是一个新的高峰。我们看看。This is lower, this high is lower than this high. Therefore, the downtrend is intact. And this low, this new low here, is clearly lower than this low. So, it's a new lower low. And we can continue. New lower high, followed by new lower low. 更低的高点 followed by 更低的低点。你现在还在一个下降趋势。BTD looks terrible. It looks like trash because it's in a downtrend. It's a 熊市 and it hasn't been broken. So Bitcoin is in a trending market, trending down, and the trend is your friend till the end. So traders will bet on the trend continuing. So this is bearish for Bitcoin because it's still in a downtrend according to the 技术分析。那么我们看看比特币向上的趋势，在2020年的时候，在这里。And this is clearly an uptrend. But how do we know? 怎么判断呢？我们要看看这是一个 higher low and 这是一个 higher high. So an uptrend is higher highs 更高的高点 followed by higher lows 更高的低点。And 我们可以继续讲 higher high followed by higher low followed by higher high followed by higher low. OK， 哥们，现在你懂得最基础的东西了。OK，uptrend、downtrend 如何判断 ？OK， 现在问题来了，哥们。Problem. We have a problem. What is this? 在这里的时候，很多人，我敢说99%的男人不懂这个。当时很多人不懂这个 because most people don't understand a simple objective rule of trend analysis. And it's this rule, ting ting. So in an uptrend, 哥们, we have a 狂涨, we have a pump, a impulsive move up, followed by a 呼吸, a small pullback, a breather. We take a breather, as I say. And then we have an impulsive move up again, followed by a 呼吸, and again a pump, followed by a 呼吸, and a pump, followed by a 呼吸. Okay, the rule is, 哥们, we can't make a new lower low. This low is clearly above this low, so the uptrend is intact. And this is the same. It's a new higher low, higher low. So as long as we don't break a previous low, the uptrend is intact. Okay, that's the rule. So, 看看这个, 我们看看这里. We have a higher high here, and now we have a new lower low. Look at this, 哥们. This is a lower low. Because this low is lower than this low. 一个新的更低的低点, okay? And the rule of an uptrend is if we break the previous lower low, it's over, 结束了, 完蛋了. The uptrend has finished. 牛市变了. So at this point, 如果你是一个技术 trader, 如果你懂这个, 你就知道, okay, uptrend 结束了, 市场变了. And if we continue, we then have a new lower high. Look at this, 哥们. 这个是 our last high, and this is our new lower high. 更低, 你看, this is lower than this. 更低的高点. So the uptrend is now over. And this is of course followed by a new lower low. 去年在这个时候，很多无知的哥们一直在说 ，Oh, buy the dip, it's going to go back up, buy the dip. 无知男人. What they didn't understand is that this is not a dip. This is not a dip. What is a dip? A dip is the pullback, okay, is the pullback in a uptrend. 在向上的趋势，这个是 pullback. 呼吸. This is a dip, followed by impulsive move up. A dip only exists in an uptrend. 但是我们的 uptrend 明明变了，结束了. The uptrend was finished because this was a new lower low and a new lower high. The uptrend was over. So there was no dips, okay? 如果你懂最基础的技术分析，你就会知道 okay, uptrend 结束了，我不卖了，你就不会亏钱。看看今年的 downtrend， 很多人还继续喊 buy the dip, but there was no dip because in a downtrend, 哥们, you have impulsive move down, followed by 呼吸一下, you have a pullback, a little bounce, followed by impulsive move down, 呼吸, little bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce. So this is a downtrend, and as long as you don't break the last high, the downtrend is intact. And so 我们看看这里，我们还没有 we haven't broken the last high, so the downtrend is intact. So you want to either go short or you want to be out of the market during a downtrend, 哥们。所以现在你长知识了，哥们。你现在知道如何判断 the trend, and you also know when the trend stops. So, 点一个赞，如果你长知识了，点赞。Now I'm going to put your knowledge to the test. It's a test. 我们看看你到底懂了多少。我们看看 Doge 狗狗币。最近很多人喜欢 trade 这个狗狗币，但是为什么呢？我们看看。 OK， 问你一个问题，狗狗币在什么趋势呢？ Is狗狗币 in an uptrend, a downtrend, or sideways? 非常有意思，我们看看。So this is the top, this is the 高峰, and then we have a new low, followed by a lower high, followed by a lower low, followed by a lower high, followed by a lower low, followed by a lower high. And 你可以看看各位，这个明明是在一个下降趋势 ，OK? Because we have lower lows followed by lower highs. But wait, 各位，等等，这里 we have a breakout. We have a new higher high. 这个 high 要比这个 high 还高 So this is a new higher high. And the rule for breaking out of a downtrend is to have a new higher high. 这个高点比这个高点还高 and 这个低点比这个低点还高 So what does that mean, Gurman? It means that we are no longer in a downtrend. Okay, and we're actually moving into what it looks like we're potentially moving into an uptrend. Okay, 这个非常重要，因为下降趋势明明变了。Okay, 所以很多 traders 看这个 chart， 看狗狗币，觉得哇耶，呜呼，趋势变了，我可以开始赌博了，我可以开始买狗狗币。I can long 狗狗币 or I can trade 狗狗币 because it's left the downtrend. So it's exciting. It's exciting for traders. 那么当然，现在狗狗币可以上涨，它可以 go sideways, or 它可以下降。But 重要的是，它现在不在一个下降趋势了 ，OK， 变了。Okay, the market structure has changed. 那么我知道你在想什么，哥们？你在想这个有点像看星座吧？这个确实有点道理，但是 it's a bit silly. It's a bit silly. Can it really help me predict the price just by looking at this chart and looking at high highs, high lows, trends? Really? It's a bit silly. Well, 哥们 the reason 技术分析 is useful is because 大部分的 traders 相信它，它就像上帝一样。你可能不新鲜，哥们，你可能不新鲜，但是Billions of people in the world believe in God, okay? Billions of people believe in God. So God is real for billions of people. Not you, but He is real for them, and He affects their lives. So this is like TA. Jishu is real for most traders. So it affects the price because if something happens on the chart, like trend reversal, trend continuation, then people, traders, will bet money on it because they believe in this, in Jishu Fenshi, okay? 所以你不信不重要 ，OK？ 你的信仰不重要 ，I don't care。大部分的 traders 信这个 ，OK？ 所以你必须学会这个。那么如果你想 trade， 哥们，你可以用 Bybit 做 trading。I use Bybit to trade. I mainly trade spot. I don't use much leverage because 我单单有点小，确实。如果你是一个真男人，然后你有大单单，你可以用 leverage go for it. But it's risky. Remember, it's risky using leverage. 下面有我优惠注册链接，用我链接注册。哇，我的中文真的退步了，哥们。What else? What else, 哥们？Oh, what's this? ExpressVPN? Sorry, Gurman, didn't mean for this. 这个伪装出现了。Oh, well, yeah, this is the VPN I use, Gurman. 这个也特别有用。I use ExpressVPN for my privacy. 你也应该用一个 VPN. 下面也有这个优惠链接，注册 VPN 3个月免费。But why am I in 美国？我不要在美国，我要跑到台湾吧。咱们去台湾。Bueno. 点一个赞，订一个月，评一个论。This was the most basic technical analysis video. I hope you 长知识了，点赞 see you next time.